Hey guys, welcome to the channel Random Sing 7, where I make videos about motorbikes, some gear reviews and travel generally in the northeast of India. Today we're going to make a quick video of how to adjust the windscreen of KTM 390 Adventure, and it's a very simple way to adjust it, and there's very limited number of options to adjust it, maybe only 2 in fact. So let's look how to do it and what you need to do there. Cool, let's go ahead. So the only tool that you actually need to adjust is this. It's a 4mm not spanner. This is an Allen key, a 4mm Allen key. That's what you need. So there's only one nut here that you need to loosen. Hang on, I need something else to do this. Come on. Loosening is always anti-clockwise. Okay, hang on. Let me get something else. This is something you can always use for leverage. Yeah, I mean, I can do this and get enough leverage, but I have the fear that it'll probably touch the plastic and scratch it, so I don't want to do that. So I might as well just put it here. Use this anti-clockwise. It's loose. Okay, I'm not even sure. Hang on, let me keep this first on the floor. I believe it's loose enough. Okay, this is difficult, and because of COVID-19 I can't ask anybody else to come and help me out. So this is the screw that comes out. Let's keep it properly here, and that is it. That is how the windscreen comes out. So the only thing is, you can see these unique grooves that are there that fit in here. So there are only 2 levels of adjustment here. You can either keep it low here or you can keep it on top here. So my bike came with the windscreen being fitted here. I don't know how it looked when it's fitted here. There we go. As you can see, the gap between the headlight here and the windscreen decreases, and if we take it up a notch, it increases by quite a few inches. I don't know how much that difference would be, but for rough estimation it's about 3 fingers here, and here it's about 2 fingers, so about maybe an inch or so, or less than an inch in fact. So yeah, these are the 2 levels of adjustment. All you need to do is get a 4mm Allen key, use that one screw to loosen it, and then yeah, that's it. So yeah, I think I like it on the top position for now. Then I'll put it back, and it's clockwise to tighten it. Oopsie. Hang on guys, I'm trying to do this single-handedly. I think that's tight enough, and that's it. So that's pretty much how you adjust the windscreen of the KTM 390 Adventure. As simple as that. Okay guys, that's about it for now. Bye bye. Until then, please stay inside the house, find something to do like this. Making videos like this where I don't really need to step out of the house. I'm not in touch with anybody, not getting in contact with anybody, and keeping it to myself. Please do that. Please do that right now. Bye bye.